Getting started with Titan's Drone as a Service program is very simple. Step 1, we meet with you. We walk your property to understand your challenges and talk through where incidences are happening. Theft, trespassing, vandalism, break-ins, whatever your reality is. There's no pressure, no complicated pitch, just a conversation about how we can protect your specific business. Step 2, we design a custom security solution. We know that every property is different, so we create a plan that combines the right mix of drone surveillance, on-site or roving officers, AI camera monitoring, or remote response support. We know that this is all about proactive security, catching things early and not reacting after the damage is done. Step 3, we install and activate the system. The best part? There's no upfront cost for the drone equipment. No big capital purchase, no long technical project that you have to manage. We handle the install, the FAA compliance, the monitoring, the operations, all of it. You get a turnkey solution that just works. And because drones respond in seconds, not minutes, your business gets true, proactive protection rapidly. If you're ready to reduce theft, increase safety, and lower your overall security costs, there's no faster way to move forward. For more information, visit tpcsecurity.com/drones.